Hi Science Rovers! In this video, let us know about resistor. Assume that travelers A and B are going the same distance. A is traveling on an uneven bumpy surface. Determine who is going to spend the most energy getting to their destination. As B moves through a regular surface, answer is A. Similar to how when traveling through rough surfaces, electrons encounter more resistance than they do when traveling along a smooth path. An electrical component called a resistor obstructs the electrical current. The illustration from the video you may watch on using a resistor displays the electrical symbol for a resistor. The value of resistor can be portrayed by the color coding, where higher resistor values provide more resistance to electrical currents. There is a way to remember these values for each color band on the resistor. I will tell you a quick trick that involves all the colors' initial letters. B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. First and second bands represent numbers and the third band is a multiplier. Value is expressed to the power of 10. The last color band indicates the tolerance for how likely the response is to change. Let's determine the value of identified resistor. Brown is the first color band to be identified. According to the color chart, brown has the value of 1. Second band is black, the value is 0. Third band color is brown again, represent the value on the power of 10. The resistor value is 10 into 10 to the power of 1, that is 100 ohm. The last band is gold, has plus or minus 5% tolerance. The answer may likely vary, plus 5% or minus 5%. Thank you.